Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
At first, it's going to be challenging. Unless you have ice skated or rollerbladed in the past, skiing is a completely different experience to anything you might have done before, but will be an amazing experience. Once you get started, you'll soon start to relax and enjoy yourself. 3 July 2013.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The main reason that downhill skiing is so tiring is that it engages your entire body. It requires a full body motion that can be rather intense at times. The steeper the hill, the more muscles needed to fight the gravity, and the more tired you will feel after the workout. 22 April 2020.
Take our lead.
One of the best things about skiing is that it can be taken up almost as easily at 40 or even 50 as at 10 or 20. In fact, a grown-up is likely to do better at first than a youngster. The first time you go skiing, try it for a day or two, preferably at a well-developed ski resort. Rent all your equipment. 31 December 1969.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.